Honored guest, Mrs. Araceli de Vera Matanilla, dear teachers, loving parents, classmates, schoolmates, and friends, good afternoon. After 6 years of hard work and perseverance, now it is the time to harvest the fruit of what we had planted. Time also to thanks and gratitude for everything and every person who in one way or in other made all this possible. To our beloved school, Bellevue Academy, who fulfilled my knowledge to become useful and worthy citizen of our nation. After this hard work, to my mama and papa, thank you very much for being supportive, loving, and caring to all my studies, to all my teachers, and to our school directors. Thank you for your smile, guidance, and understanding. After this hard work, we, as pupils, are not yet finished. We are facing our high school years, but we must not afraid because with the help of what we have learned in school, with the guidance of our parents, and of course, with the encouragement of our friends, we will receive the blessings from the Almighty God. And may God bless you all. To all my classmates, I will miss you all. To our bonding moments, thanks a lot for all. Thank you.